I am on my way to Chishang, where it is in the middle of the Huadong Valley, which you can see here. Lots of gorgeous mountains. See how wide the valley is on the other side of the train. I'm going to rent a bicycle and go through some famous parts in Chishang, which includes a lot of rice paddies and Mr. Brown Avenue, which is from a very famous ad from a long time ago in the middle of these rice paddies. Quite looking forward to this trip. It will be my first time. See here, it's a very tropical place, a lot of tropical plants, crops. I think they're mangoes. Got more rice paddies here. Very open spaces here.